This is your chance to own something incredibly rare, set on one of the largest parcel of land in Freshwater Basin, with untapped redevelopment opportunities to create the ultimate beachside home. I'm Mike Dunn and welcome to 7 Ocean View Road, Freshwater. Ocean View Road is one of the jewels of the crown in this exclusive freshwater basin. With the sand and surf at Freshwater Beach only a short stroll by foot, you have city and local transport, vibrant village eateries, seaside walks, hardboard diggers, Pilu restaurant. Everything here is at your fingertips. It just doesn't get any better. For me, it's all about this block size. For those of you unfamiliar with freshwater, the average land size here is around 405 square metres. This home is set on over 850 square metres, double the average land size, which makes this an unbelievably rare offering. Although the home is in original condition, it's in the kind of state that you can move in straight away and enjoy, while you plan to get the DA through or work out what you would like to renovate in order to create your beachside masterpiece in arguably Freshwater's most tightly held street. Get set for summer and enjoy your front row seats to this unbeatable lifestyle.